of the seats. You got massage, lights, heat on the seats on both recliners. This is a sleeper sofa, fireplace, TV. You have storage behind it, and I put a surround sound system in. It comes with it. Pretty good sized pantry, and these racks stay in to put your canned foods. Storage over the TV, storage up top, your stove, sink. We did change out that faucet to a residential. Microwave. We added this slide out for the cooking stuff. Got a full size fridge, 2 freezers, pretty good size fridge. This is the bunk room. That's a sleeper sofa. You got a bunk up top. We add that little dresser for storage. You got some little closets here. Of course, your TV, 2 more drawers. You got a little coat closet here in the hall. And then you got your upper bunk. Bathroom, pretty good size shower. Does have a ceramic toilet, so it's nice.